Alright, as you can see, to remove the panel to change the plate light bulb, you gotta remove the panel. And there's first thing I want you to do is to remove these 4 clips. You can use the flathead you want, but I can just take it out, just like that. Okay, I can pop it out. There you go. There's the 3rd one. There you go. And here's the 4th one. There you go. And then what you want to do is to get a plastic wedge. Like a plastic wedge, you can see. I don't want to break the damage the panel. It's plastic, okay? So we just try to pop this here whole panel all around, and just push it out. That's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go around right now to it's whole by the clips. Alright, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Put this one out. There you go. And then it's here. Pop out. I think it's for the rear brake lights. Just a panel. Let me see this here. Pop out, just like this, and then you push forward. It's not that easy, huh? There you go, just like that. One there, one there. And then you want this one here. Just like that. Okay. Then you want to get these out. Let's put this one first. All around. It's like the clip. Okay. Like that. All around. Corner. Let's see. This corner here. Could do a plastic wedge. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. There you go. Okay. There you go. Keep going back in though, huh? All right, and then you can see coming out more plastic. Went back in on this one. Just like that. Come on. Can't see. Get up there. All right. And we just push forward, just like that. Pop out. And here's a wire harness here. Pop, take that out. Okay, that is the whole panel. You can see the panel right here. For now, whew. Don't just rip it out because you need to pick this out, okay, for the harness. I twist it to the light to the left, counterclockwise. I got it out, and here's the other one. Okay, both right there. All right, let's replace it. Okay, let's replace them now. So basically, as you can see, right here, you just pull just like that. Okay, and put the new one in. That, and just push it in just like that. And go to the other one. Same way. You pull, put the new one in, and you just push it in. And that's how you do it. And just replace back the panel, and you're good to go. Like several clips, nice and slow, and twist this back inside, and you should be all set. All right, I replaced the bulb. So let me turn on the light, make sure it worked. And there'll be light, right? Here we go. Boom, there we go, all set. The light's on. We are good to go. Now replace the panel back. And thank you for watching Tech Time with T. And that is how you do it. The plate. So this is important. If the cops see the light is out, they can't look at the plates, they will pull you over and give you a ticket. Believe me, I had the experience. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. Bye bye. Panel back. Okay, there. Just align the clips right. That. Okay, here you go. Got a couple there. On here. Second. There. It's here. Straighten out the clips here. Okay. That. Okay. Okay. Here you go. And actually, never rush it. Get the harness back on. Okay. My harness. And it's right here. Make sure put the harness back on, all right? Do just up, harness back on for the power. Getting tired though, very tiring. Oh, let me load this down and snap that back on. Let's do it again. Go. On, and it's back in there, just like that. This side, and snap on, and on. Okay. Now, put the thing back in here. Snap on like that. Okay. What you do? Put the 4 clips back. Snap on. On. There we go. And last one. Couple panels inside, just like that, where you put in the groove first. Okay, then you snap on, just like that. Another one here on this side, and let me see. Just like that. Here you go. One more. Right here. This is clip right here. Push it in and then snap on. Push it in and then on. Perfect. And this is what you need. Plastic wedge. Don't damage the panel. And do not forget to take out that white harness and put back on the white harness, which I did. Okay. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. And oh, I'm so tired now because of it. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. And you have a great day. Peace out.